This audit used to take me about 90 minutes. Now it takes about 12. Watch this. I'm going to run a single Claude skill, no giant prompt, no copy pasting context, no re-explaining the client, just one instruction. While that's running, here's what most people get wrong about Claude. They think better results come from better prompts. I don't think that's true. I spent over 12 years managing teams and over $100 million in ad spend, and none of the systems that work scaled because of instructions. They scaled because of operating procedure, clear standards, clear constraints, clear definitions of good work, and that's exactly what most people are missing with Claude. So in a few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact file that I use, but first, let's look at why prompting keeps breaking down. Most people use Claude like this: write me an audit, make it more strategic, add some recommendations, use my framework. Actually, change that, add more detail, focus on acquisition, and don't forget the client is B2B. You end up managing the conversation instead of managing the outcome. And the prompt is instructions to a stranger, but delegation is giving someone a rulebook. And those are not the same thing. And once you understand that difference, everything changes. Let me show you. Here's Claude without a rulebook. And I'm just going to paste in this very simple prompt. Now I've given it very generic recommendation. There's a generic structure. There's no real understanding in how I work. There's nothing really terrible, but at the same time, nothing is that special. And once you run the prompt, you get something like this. Again, nothing terrible, but it's not exactly spectacular. This isn't going to wow your potential clients. Now watch the exact same task with my CLAUDE.md file loaded. Notice the difference. Claude doesn't just jump straight into the answer. It starts asking questions. It wants context. It wants the current process. It wants to understand the business. Because one of my rules is understand before automating. Map the process before touching anything. And if the process isn't clear, stop and ask. Don't fill in the gaps with assumptions. And that one principle changes the quality of everything that comes after it. And that's the first shift. See, most people are trying to improve prompts. I'm trying to improve decision making. And if Claude starts asking smarter questions before doing any work, that's when the system is working. But there's still a problem. Just because Claude understands the argument doesn't mean the output is good. And honestly, this is where most AI workflows fall apart. So let's fix that next. The second thing my CLAUDE.md file does is enforce standards, not prompts. Standard. Here's one of the rules. Flag missing or incomplete information. Never silently fill in gaps. So watch this. Claude encounters missing information. Now most AI systems will just guess. Mine doesn't. So it's asking questions before it finalizes recommendation. Can you pull in a non-brand search terms report from the last 30 to 60 days? Can you confirm how demo booked is defined? Again, that's very specific. It's not assuming anything. What's the close rate? Demo versus closed deal. And is this something that's trackable? And there's a $250 CPA target based on required payback period or a rule of thumb benchmark. The system explains what's missing and it tells me what it needs. And I know what you're thinking, that sounds very small, but in the context of running an agency, it's not. One wrong assumption can destroy an otherwise good piece of work, and one bad recommendation can destroy client trust. And one hallucinated fact can create hours of cleanup. So instead of teaching Claude to be more confident, I teach Claude when not to be confident. Most people think Claude gets better when you give it more prompts. I think it gets better when you stop letting it guess. And the moment Claude starts catching problems before you do, that's when you know the standards are working. But none of this explains how I got from 90 minutes down to 12. And that happens because of a third layer. And it's the part that compounds. So one of my most important rules in this system is one task, one confirmation. Because here's why. Most people ask Claude to do 5 things, and Claude does all 5, but it gets something wrong on step 2. Now the rest of the output is built on a mistake. But my system doesn't work like that. It completes a stage, it reviews it, it confirms it, then it moves forward. Notice how Claude pauses. It has provisional observation. And here's a line that separates how I do things with how other people do it. Because before touching bids or budgets, my Claude wants to know if any of this spend is producing pipeline that converts to close revenue later. It's reporting what it did, it explains what's next, and it waits for confirmation. And it's even telling me this. Once I have even 2 to 3 of these, I could turn this into an actual processed action list with expected impact and dependencies rather than directional guessing. Now, I know what you're thinking, that sounds slower. But in reality, it's much faster because you're not spending 30 minutes fixing mistakes that happened 10 steps ago. You're catching them immediately. And when you combine that with reusable skills, everything starts compounding. And this is the exact audit skill that I use. Everything I've learned is already built into it. The structure, the checks, the process, the quality standards, the recommendations. Every improvement gets reused. Every lesson sticks. And every future audit starts from a higher baseline. And that's how a 90-minute manual process became 12. Not because Claude got smarter, but because the system got smarter. So here's the entire framework. This isn't a secret prompt. It's not even a jailbreak, not a magic command. It's a rulebook. Understand before automating. Simple and reversible. One task, one confirmation, and it only outputs standards. The biggest shift for me wasn't realizing that Claude needs more instructions. It needs better operating principles. The same way a good employee doesn't need constant supervision. They need clear standards, clear constraints, and a clear definition of good work. And that's what this file does. It teaches Claude how to think before it teaches Claude what to do. And that's why I spend less time prompt and more time reviewing, which means I can find more clients and doing work that actually gets me paid. And if you want the exact CLAUDE.md templates I use for automation, content, and agency work, they're all inside of the free AI kit, and the link is below in the video description. And if you love this video and if you think it's going to save you a bunch of time for your agency, for your client's agency, or for your own business, do me a solid and smash the like button. It will help the YouTube's algorithm find more people like, and ultimately it will help more people. And if you love this video, watch the next one on screen, and I'll see you when the next tutorial drops.